In today's activity, you'll make a paper model of your skull, the bone inside your head. Now, even though your skull is hidden beneath your skin and muscles, you can find out a lot about it by using your sense of touch. We'll go on a little tour of your own skull. That way, you'll get to feel what you can't see. And while you're at it, you'll get to build a paper skull with a jaw that moves. When you're done, you can even wear your paper skull as a mask. To scare your friends, simply open your skull's mouth and say boo. I'll show you how to get started, step by step. Before you make your mask, you're going to go on a tour of your own skull. Gently feel your head and your face with the tips of your fingers. Try to notice, where is it hard? That's bone. Where is it soft? What else do you notice? Take a few moments to do this. Be careful when you feel around your eyes. I'll put a timer on the screen in case that's helpful. Okay, if you're ready to go to the next step, click the arrow on the right. Your skull is made of two parts, the cranium and the jaw. The cranium protects your brain, but there are holes in your cranium so that information from the world around you can travel to your brain through some of your senses. Discuss. Here are some things we noticed. There are 7 holes or openings in your head. You've got your eyes, your nostrils, your ears, and your mouth. These 2 dark holes on the cranium are your eye sockets, bony cups that protect your eyes. To feel the eye sockets in your own skull, put your fingers on your eyebrow and feel for a bump of bone. Then, gently trace the bony circle around your eye, down to the top of your cheek, and back up again to where you started. Feel your nose. Then, take a look at the cranium in this photo. Your cranium is bone and teeth, all the hard stuff. Discuss. Here's what we noticed. The tip of the nose is bendy. It's made of soft stuff called cartilage. It's not bone, so that's why you see a hole in the cranium where your nose should be. That hole allows smells to travel to your brain. Okay, you found holes in the cranium for your eyes and nose. But what about your ears? Take a look at this picture of the cranium from the side. Discuss. Here's some things we noticed. Ears are bendy, just like the tip of your nose. They're both made of soft stuff called cartilage. It's not bone. So that's why you see a tiny hole in the cranium where your ear should be. That hole allows sounds to travel to your brain. We're going to look at one last hole in the skull, your mouth. The bottom part of your skull is your jaw. When you open your mouth, you move your jaw. Move your jaw along with the video. Now that you know your skull a little better, get the supplies you need to make your mask. Each person needs 2 printouts because your skull is made of 2 pieces, the cranium and the jaw. Watch the video. Notice that the top teeth are on the cranium and the bottom teeth are on the jaw. Find the teeth on your printouts and use your pencil to outline each tooth on the jaw and the cranium. If you're missing any teeth, black out those teeth on the printout so that your skull mask will look more like your own skull. Now it's time to make your mask. Fold the cranium sheet on the center line, like this. Cut out the nose hole. Then, cut on the lines to make 3 slits, 1 for the mouth and 2 more to hold the jaw in place. Last, you'll cut off the corner and the side strip. To make the holes for your eye sockets, fold the paper again on this line. Cut out the eye sockets. Then unfold and flatten the sheet like this. To make the mask stiff, you're going to fold on these lines. Turn the paper over. Fold down the corners. Then fold down the top and fold in the sides. Run your finger over each fold. You'll end up with some. Now it's time to make your jaw. Cut on the dotted lines like this. Don't forget the lines on either side where it says boo. To make the jaw open and close, you need to make a handle. First, fold on the lines. Fold A onto B, then fold that onto C. Finally, fold C onto D. Repeat this on the other side. Now we're going to add the jaw to the cranium. We're going to fold here, right above the black box that says boo. So flip the jaw over and fold down. Now we'll lift up the part between these 2 slits like this. Then slide the handle through like this. Now let's connect the jaw to the cranium. Push up the cranium slightly so that you can see the slit right below the teeth. Then push the part that says boo through like this. It should look like this when you're done. This skull mask doesn't work exactly like a real skull. Discuss. To see how your jawbone actually moves when you open your mouth, watch this video. Discuss. Now you have a mask that looks like your own skull. You can use it to scare your friends, or show it to a friend and share what you learned about the skull today. Have fun and stay curious.